So we are taking a quick family trip, 2-3 days max, for the summertime. Me and my husband with the baby, and I'm gonna show you how I packed. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. So I pack about 2 different outfits. Here I have a dress that I really like to wear that's really comfortable, and then I pack 1 pair of shoes that can go with all of my outfits. Keep it really simple because it's summer. I have sandals, and then I pack a little pant set that's really breathable and flowy, and then I pack a couple of shirts to go with it in case I want to change one shirt or switch up the look and wear it another day. I can just switch out the shirt. And then I packed a swimsuit and a cover up to go with it. This is a floor length cover up, and I like to cinch it with a belt, so I have that. And then I just have a crossbody bag that I can switch out from my purse that I'm going to take. This is the purse that I take. It's like a backpack purse that I got from FabFitFun, and I like it because it's very efficient. I can pack a lot in it, and I can use it when I'm out with the baby, and it's got all of my essentials in there that I need to carry around with me. Then I also pack a robe. When I wake up, I like to be able to throw on a robe, head into the bathroom, take a shower, and come out of the bathroom in my robe. It's towel material, so it's better than just having a towel. And then I packed my favorite onesie. This is from Fashion Nova. I love this onesie. It fits really tight and it's so comfortable. And then I have my bonnet that I sleep in to protect my hair for when I sleep, my satin bonnet. And I just pack this all in my duffel bag. Inside of the bag, I just keep underwear. And I also like to pack a Ziploc bag in case I need to put anything wet or dirty up and away from any other clothing. And in this little pouch, I keep band-aids, toothbrush, and toothpaste. Then I have my skincare and toiletry bag, and in this bag I've got all of my skincare, hair care, and toiletry products. So I've got some MAC Fix Plus, my Way leave-in conditioner, my Secret deodorant. I have the Touch and Soul No Pore Bloom Prime Essence, and my Avon sunscreen primer, and I choose this one because it has sunscreen in it, and so you want to protect your face when you're out in the sun. My Mederma that I use for scar ointment, the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, the Pharmacy Honey Glow Night Serum. Next to that, I've got the Avon Brightening Serum that I really love to use during the day. On the other side, I have Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Foreplay Cream Gel, the Cali Skin Foaming Face Wash, my Jamaican Mango and Lime Sproil Oil, Truffle Therapy Illuminating Facial Mist, the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer, and my Clinique Take the Day Off. I have the Skin Chemist Lip Plump, the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel, and a Rollerball Perfume by Sarah Jessica Parker. And this one is convenient because it's rollerball, so I don't have to worry about getting it all over anywhere. That's it for this bag. And then I have another bag that I keep all of my makeup, other hair care items, and nail care items. I keep my makeup brushes in this Jaclyn Hill travel case, and I keep that at the bottom of the bag. My fan, some lashes, brush, nail clippers, nail polish remover, my foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me, the Pretty Vulgar Translucent Setting Powder. I have some Deborah Lippmann nail polish here. All of my concealers, mascara, eyeliner, anything liquid on this end. Then I brought my press-ons in case I want to do a press-on look. Eye makeup remover, pads, Fit Me powder. Keep some cotton balls in this little dry string bag here. Nail clipper, my handy makeup mirror. I really love that one. A nail file, my bronzer. I love this bronzer. I actually like bronzing more than contouring now. Maybelline Super Stay 375 Java that I love to contour with. The Laurent Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and my Alamar Cosmetics blush. I also carry this jar that my sister gave me full of hair scrunchies, bobby pins, bands, that sort of thing. So that's it for this bag. So for the baby, I've packed him 2 bags. This is his diaper bag with all his on-the-go items. Some hair products in here for him, toys, his formula, diapers, and wipes, burp cloth, bibs down there, extra outfit in here because when you're out with a baby, you always need to have extra outfits. This bottle for his water when I'm making him bottles. And I really like this bag because it has a changing pad attached to it that zips off, so that's really convenient when we're out. And I also pack his food as well. And then I pack a separate bag for his clothes, shoes, sandals, bibs, socks. And I pack him about 4 or 5 different outfits, and they're usually all jersey or dry fit material because it's summer and it's hot. My husband normally just packs his backpack with all his clothes, his computer, his toiletries. He's simple. So here's the makeup sitch for today. I've just got all my products laid out so I can easily find everything. And I forgot quite a few things like my all over the lid brush, my lash glue, and even my eyeshadow palette. So I've got to use my Ofra highlighter to do an eye look. And I can contour the eye with my bronzer or with my contour. But I'm really leaning towards this bronzer because I love it. I think it's so beautiful. And I can even choose my Alamar Cosmetics to do the eye look as well. So I did my brows off camera, and now I'm going to go in with my bronzer to contour the eye. I end up going with my bronzer instead of my contour because I don't want it to be so deep since it is a simple summer glow look. I just think the bronzer adds the warmth that I'm looking for. And because I don't have my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the Ofra highlighter instead of the Alamar Cosmetics blush, and I'm going to use that to go all over my lid. And because I forgot my all over the lid brush, I'm using a brow bone highlight brush, and I'm spritzing that with a little of the MAC Fix Plus so that it will stick well and get that glowy look. And it's really pretty shimmer. I just went in with the mid color in the palette, and I'm going to use the lightest color in the Ofra highlighter to go in my inner corner and my brow bone. Now I'm going to prime, and I'm using the Avon Magics again because it has sunscreen in it.
Any ideas?
And I'm using the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. It slides on so easy and gets the job done quickly. And because I was in a hurry packing, I forgot my favorite duo lash glue. So instead, I'm going in with the Wander Beauty mascara. Again, I like this wand because it is one of the thinnest wands that I have, and I can just apply a few coats and get the lashes popping. Unfortunately, I won't be able to pop on those beautiful lashes that I brought. When you're in a hurry and you're trying to pack for a baby and yourself and make sure the car is loaded and that you don't forget the bottles and this and that, you forget some things. And so I'm honestly surprised that I only forgot a few things and it was only makeup. I'm blending the Fit Me foundation in Deep Golden. Now I'm using my favorite LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm just going to conceal and highlight with this concealer. And I was moving in a bit of a hurry because we were on our way out to dinner, and I was in a bit of a hurry, and I did this look in about 15 to 20 minutes and condensed it into 3 minutes for you in this video. I'm now setting the concealer with my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder in the color Medium Deep. And I am contouring my forehead with my Morphe Glamour Bronzer in the color Phenom. And I'm dusting away any extra Laura Mercier powder, bronzing, blushing, and powdering with my Fit Me powder and setting it with the MAC Fix Plus and going back in with the Ofra highlighter. And now I'm using my Kylie Cosmetics True Brown K, and I'm using NYX in the color Lipley.
Any ideas?
And that completes this simple little quick summer look. And my hair is just a braid out. So my dress is like a picnic dress that goes almost down to the floor. And then my necklace is the one that I got in the FabFitFun summer box. Earrings are Fashion Nova, and that's it. Pretty simple look. So that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that was helpful for you. If so, give it a thumbs up, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.